Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and welcome to Pride Month. Today I have something super special planned for you, one of my all-time favorite desserts with all the colors of the rainbow. So get ready for a vegan fruit pizza. Let's dive in. Grab a large bowl and add in some coconut oil. I recommend microwaving it for about 30 seconds just so it breaks down a little easier. Then add in brown sugar, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, flour, and almond milk. Give it all a good mix until everything is evenly combined and starts to clump together. Do not forget the milk like I almost did. It's kinda necessary. Now knead the dough into a ball. The dough ball is going to be very soft and a bit crumbly, but it's going to make a delicious sweet crust. Take out a pizza pan, put some parchment paper on it and place your dough ball in the center. Then slowly push the ball down to flatten it out. You want to make it a large circle about 1/4 inch thick. That's as close to a circle as I'm going to get, so let's put it into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. You want a light golden edge on the crust. While we're waiting for the crust, let's make our pizza sauce. Get out another bowl and add in your favorite vegan cream cheese. If you just took yours out of the fridge like I did, it's going to be a little too hard to mix, but 20 seconds in the microwave will fix that problem. Now add in vanilla extract and maple syrup. Give that a good mix until thoroughly combined. Our crust is done now, so set that aside and let it cool completely before starting our next step. Now that it's cool to the touch, spread on the sauce. Make sure to get that as close to the edges as possible. This is my favorite part, decorating the pizza. In the spirit of Pride Month, we are going to make a delicious rainbow. Red strawberries, oranges, yellow pineapple, green kiwi, blue blueberries, and purple blackberries to give us that amazing look. This is looking beautiful, so let's plate this dish. Doesn't this just look stunning? Fruit pizza is such a delicious and sweet dessert, and the way we have our fruit scattered, every single bite has something different to it. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know if there's any recipes you'd like us to try in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more. Have a wonderful Pride Month, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
And there's fruit on it.
Exactly. And it's healthy because there's fruit.